So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and interesting tutorial where in this tutorial we're going to discuss how you can enable the private mode on LinkedIn. If you enable this mode, nobody will be able to see your profile picture or your name except the connections you made on LinkedIn. It's a very convenient method if you want to stay private on the LinkedIn as you stay on the other social media platform. Every platform provides you this feature to stay private. So in the LinkedIn also you get a feature to enable the private account in which nobody will be able to see your profile picture or the name unless and until they are in your connections. So in order to do that, you can do the process in your smartphone application as well of LinkedIn. Just all you have to do is to just simply sign into your LinkedIn account. I am currently doing the same process on LinkedIn web, so I open the LinkedIn web on any web browser, for example the Google Chrome. When I open the Google Chrome and open my LinkedIn account, you can see currently I am in my LinkedIn. Now in order to go to the private mode, all you have to do is to just simply first go to the option of your profile at the top window. Just simply click there and you go to the settings and privacy option. When you go there, you can see at the left window the option of visibility. Just simply click on this option. When you click there, you can see you are in the visibility of a profile and network option, and on the first option you will see profile viewing options. When you click there, you can see now at this point at this particular point, just simply select the mode in which you want to serve the LinkedIn. You can search either private mode, which is totally private, you will be completely in the private mode, or private profile characteristics, in which the person surfing you will able to get to know some of the information of you. You can select either mode of them and just select the modes as per your preferences. Once you are done, just simply hit back and the settings will be changed for you. So by this method you can easily switch to private mode on LinkedIn. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for having such more helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.